In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary market on Shopify. This is really useful if you're selling to a different main country or region than when you first set up your store, or if your business focus has shifted over time. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means, so you can update your primary market with confidence. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in the back end of your store, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the navigation menu, find the option labeled Markets and click on it. This is where Shopify groups your selling regions and settings. On the Markets page, you'll see your current primary market. If you've never changed it before, it will be based on the country or region you chose when you first created your store. Go ahead and click on that primary market to open its settings. Inside the market editor, focus on the first card at the top. Near the bottom of that card, you'll see a label that says Includes, followed by your current country or region. Right next to that country or region name, there's a small pencil icon. That pencil icon means Edit, so click on it to adjust which countries or regions are part of this primary market. A pop-up window will appear showing a list of countries and regions. At the top of this pop-up, there's a search box. If you want to remove your current country or region from this market, type its name into the search box, then unselect it from the list. You can also leave it selected if you still plan to sell there. Next, find the country or region you now want to use as your main focus. You can scroll through the list or search by name in the same search bar. Once you see it, select that country or region. When you're finished making your selections, click the Done button at the bottom right of the pop-up to confirm. Back in the market editor, you might also want your currency to match this new primary region. To do that, look for the card labeled Customized. On that card, you'll see your currently set currency. Click on that currency to open another pop-up with pricing settings. In this pop-up, use the first drop-down box to choose the appropriate currency for your new primary market. Below that, you can decide whether you want Shopify to round prices, which can make your prices look cleaner, and whether you prefer a dynamic exchange rate that updates automatically or a manual rate that you control yourself. Once you've adjusted these settings the way you want, click Done at the bottom right of the pop-up. Finally, to make sure none of your changes are lost, go to the top of the page near the search bar and click Save. Waiting for that save confirmation is important before you navigate away. So give it a moment to process, and that's it. You've successfully changed your primary market on Shopify and aligned your region and currency with your main audience.